That's exactly what he would look like if he would play this.
Man worm.
Take the zones, win the day.
3 zones incoming.
Oh, I didn't get to fucking hit the rocket launcher. I was just gonna stay aside.
I wonder if they.
God damn it!
Grabbing
Fucking
B.
rocket launcher bullshit.
Grabbing A now. Oh fuck. Okay, he's out of ammo.
Behind, coming up behind. Damn it! They got A.
Three zones incoming.
Got A. One needs to go C. They're gonna spawn C too. Go cut them. No, they're at B.
Yeah, there's a few in C. They're all in C.
Oh, this map at all, dude.
Oh, yeah, I just run around until I find shit.
Three
Basically a
zones
center lane
incoming.
and 2 side alleys that are also like straight. That's all it is really.
M41
Standard map.
Spanker, inbound.
Pop tarts.
M41 Spanker available.
Fucking dude with a rocket launcher coming up.
Three zones incoming.
Oh, that's why you jumped up.
I got fucking stuck on it.
Well, I died. They threw grenades up there immediately, and I had nowhere to go.
Alright, boys. It's time to put in some work.
But where at? Because 2 more and they win. This is the worst it's been.
Could have gone better.
Oh, and spawn us with 3 objectives.
Are you
That's ass.
serious?
Three zones.
I have gotten killed by that rocket
That is
launcher
team nearing
repeatedly.
victory.
Only got what? 2 shots.
Yeah, well, no, it's got like 4.
They win if they cap C. Which it looks like that. Probably can put in some work.
I killed somebody and they got killed by 2 more.
Defeat.
That's what I'm saying, man. The secret skill-based matchmaking shit